Hello, today I'm going to talk about 1, 2, 3 pattern I see a lot lately. And on this one here, I'm using a 4000 tick chart. And what I'm looking here is a significant power move on either way. So on this one here, we have this very strong, nice bearish move here. This is Friday, April 29. And every time a move like this, you can create a channel here. So whenever you see that you can create a channel and you see a very strong move here, and when you see a pullback, and that pullback, if you see that you see some rejections here and then it became a shallow pullback right here, then it's most likely that the move is gonna be, this is the first leg and this is the second leg and this is the third leg. So it's a 1, 2, 3 move. So you can expect another move like this shape. So on this one here, what I pay attention is here that I will be watching this channel here carefully, and I'm gonna look breaking this channel line and also see a signal bar here. So right over here, this is on the shallow pullback. We are getting a channel line right here. I try to touch as much as I can, maybe something like that. I may do some adjustments on this one here. This one here and something like this. Yeah, it's better a little bit. So this is the channel. So I'm gonna watch this channel to break with a nice signal bar here. Usually the moves, the first leg here, has the same on the third leg here. Not always, but usually that you can expect that much down move on this way here too. So it kind of matches. Okay, so far you got the 2 red bars here. I want this channel to break and close outside of that channel. Okay, that is closed there. Maybe on that pullback. Okay, that's a pretty nice wick there on the top. I didn't catch that. Too low.
Order filled.
Okay, right above that bar here. So I'm also watching a 1 minute time frame and 800 tick chart as well. okay, my auto break even, put my stop loss on break even, and I think that'd be fine there. If it takes me out, then I can re-enter it. Okay, maybe bring that. I'm gonna trail this maybe. Okay, I don't want to give any money back, so I'm just gonna do this pretty tight. This move may go a lot lower, but I will take my profit there. And if it goes, yeah, that'd be fine too. Most likely it will take me out.
Stop filled.
Okay, yeah, stop me out. So that's pretty much the whole pattern here. So once you see a significant move like this, and you see a shallow pullback inside the channel, and you wait that channel to break, and on this case here I have couple the bars with a wick on the top. Let me delete this one. Okay, so like on this one here, another one here, another one here. So we got bunch of with red bars, and they all other than this one, they close under the 25 moving average. And once the price crossed the channel and broke and closed underneath there on that pullback, sometimes it pulls back to the channel right underneath, and sometimes it doesn't that much, and that can be a good entry point there. And when you look at it back, so can be able to see a lot similar. Like on this one here is not too much a pullback without a channel. This is just straight up the previous day. And this one here can be like we got here, and we got this channel here, and we have this straight up move, right? And then we got the third leg straight up, usually around the same size. And also, yeah, you need to pay attention on this here. If you are a major support resistance areas, you need to pay attention those two. Or if the moves above here, there are like a very strong resistance or zone area here, then it may not be a good idea to enter it here. Or if you do, you take profit fast when that zone reaches, because you always need to measure your loss profit reward ratio. I'm gonna try to see if we can spot another one. I mean, this can be, you can say that, not very clean, but okay, this is the channel. I will do with this where the most, and you can say that this is the first significant move, and this right here is the third leg there. And yeah, this can be, these are can be too. This was like a very steep pullback, but you can be able to do on this one here too, on this one. So this is your channel there, and you got this first move, and the second move actually bigger than a little bit the first move. And yeah, so this is the first leg, 1, this is the 2, and then this is the 3, so 1, 2, 3. And yeah, I can see it here too. Okay, this is the first one. The legs are not matching, but you can still make profit off of this. Right, this channel here, you see that you have that strong down move, and once you see that the signal bar breaking that moving average, and you always need to see that moving average too, the price needs to break under the moving average, and then from there on, the price didn't go straight up, but with a pullback it did pretty close. And like I said, this measured moves not always 100% matches, but most of the time it matches. And this one here too, like we have a really big move, right? And we have this channel here, shallow pullback, and then right breaking after that, you can get some profit off of that. It is always better than try to short this and try to, after like such a big move. That's what when I was used to do before. Like when I see a big move, I always try to short it, and most of the time I was losing it because like a very strong move, it requires couple tries, maybe more tries, to price go back and reverse. So instead of doing that, when you see a like shallow pullbacks, and when you see a channels like this, you go with the flow, you go with the trend, and then you just jump on board and then get the second leg, right? Yeah, I mean, yeah, I see a lot. I mean, when you look at it, you can see small, big, like you can even do like a smaller channel like this too. You can that first move and then the second move there. And remember, this is a 4,000 tick chart, so the things goes a little bit slow here. But once you spot this on the bigger time frame, I mean, you can use a bigger, like a 15-minute, 30-minute instead of 4,000 tick. But something bigger time frame that you can be able to spot all these channel areas. And then once you see that this channel is breaking, and then just make your fine adjustments on your smaller time frames, like a 1-minute time frame, or 1,000 tick chart, or smaller 5-minute time frames, whichever you are using. Yeah, so see if I can see another one like this one here too. It's not very clean, but you see that channel right here. This is the channel there, and you got this two moves down. Okay, this was the first one, did a pullback there, and right after that this is the last leg of the move. And sometimes it doesn't give you that much pullback, you know, you just shoot up like that. So yeah, I just wanted to show this, and I hope this helps to someone. And when you see something like this, and just look out for that channel to break, and then just go look into your smaller time frame and try to grab some of those profits.